do me a favor?
Probably, yeah. What is it?
Mrs. Chu sent over some lunch, but I haven't paid yet. Can you take this back to the restaurant?
All right.
You might want to hurry. I heard dog guys are sending reinforcement. You should probably be gone before they get here.
Hey, come on in. I got a special deal for you. Hey, sexy man, you want new clothes? Why don't you let me dress you?
You! Come my grocery! Come in! See what I got!
You want DVDs? Every DVD you want, right here!
Good suit. You need good faith. Hey.
Who knows? Come!
You want good clothes for less? I got special deals.
Is the new guy around?
You know who this way guy is?
This is for Susan's lunch.
Thanks.
You? Are you shitting me? So what'd you do?
Nothing. 真係乜都冇. I came straight to you. Didn't want to start anything major, but without you knowing, you know?
So get this. A couple years ago, this guy Ming came to me and asked me to look out for him while he did business. Special K mostly, but other stuff too. I thought, why not? I take a nice little cut for my boys, no problem. But this week, I sent Jackie here to pick up the envelope, and he tells my boy to fuck off. Apparently, he's friends with Dog Eyes now, so we can all go fuck ourselves.
You want me to make an example out of Dog Eyes?
That home Garton is gonna get what's coming in. Right now, I need someone to take care of me.
No! You
講第二次啊！放開我啊！
快啲啦，我哋已經遲晒啦。
你挑戰緊我嘅耐性喎！我食就多過你食米啦！我知我係啱嘅。你有屎忽諗嘢㗎？
我話你知啊，你唔好再用啲咁嘅語氣同我講嘢啊！你死埋一邊啊！
唔識尊重人，又從來唔聽人講。
廢話，你啲廢話邊有人聽啊？我做咁多嘢。
做乜咁嗨驚啊？
Noodles!
2 for 1。
Hey, sexy man, you want new clothes? Why don't you let me
我呢邊
dress
最
you?
正嘅 Noodles，
Serve it up.
熱辣辣㗎，watch out！ Hey you！
You hungry, huh?
You want movie? You want music? You want
Hey,
games?
Veggie! You want veggie!
Come on, let me show you around.
I'm looking for Ming. You know where he's at?
Yeah, he just passed the food stand around the corner.
New clothes? Why don't you let me dress you? Hey, big man, you want some new clothes?
Anything you need at the market.
You make it up for me tonight, and we got a deal.
嚇！我真係要咁做？
Ming, I got a message for you.
Stop!
You didn't pay Winston, asshole.
Fuck you! Get out of the fucking way, moron! Out of my way!
Coming through.
Oh, fuck! Ah!
Oh shit!
Guys, I need your help! Kill him! He needs to be killed!
係啊，點啊？
Fucking bitch! Let them do this to you! Kill him!
瞄準啊！
我覺得你搞錯咗啊！兄弟，有事慢慢講。Leave me alone, you fuck! It's one of Winston's guys! Take him out! 屌你老母臭閪啊 ！Fuck you up! You fucking with the wrong guy!
打柒你咯！
哇！ Dog guy's gonna kill you.
Fuck Dog Eyes! Winston owns this area. You fuck with us, and you'll regret it.
Okay. But please, make sure Dog Eyes doesn't kill me.
Fuck! Hey, watch it.
Wei Sheng, I'm Inspector Tang. You have quite a rap sheet here. Multiple arrests in San Francisco, alleged ties to organized crime, and now you're here, enforcing for the Sun On Yee. You know, you don't have to throw your life away like this.
Your concern's really moving. Yeah, I appreciate that. I'm suddenly realizing I should have never dropped out of art school. I could have made it. I could have been a real somebody. Thank you for showing me the light, officer.
I want to give you a chance, Shen, but you have to work with me. Then maybe I can cut you a deal. Oh, Superintendent, I'm in the middle of an interrogation.
Inspector, there's been a misunderstanding.
Misunderstanding, sir.
As your superior officer, I'm instructing you to release this man.
But sir, I have it on record that he's Sun On Yee.
I understand that.
I can't simply just cut him loose. I mean, you're asking me to release a criminal with known connections to the Triad, and not only is it against
for God's
protocol,
sake, Tang, he's one of us.
What?
Jesus, Pendrew, let me get the door. There are few badges outside who didn't hear you.
It's all right, Wei. We can trust her.
Trust her? I just met her.
Congratulations, Tang, so now you know. Maybe now we can make sure that we're helping Wei, not making his job harder than it already is,
Yeah, it doesn't seem like I have much of a choice.
No, you don't. Now see yourself out.
Permission to speak freely.
Denied. You need to be more careful, Wei. Much more careful. I can't bail you out like this again.
Sir,
I don't want to hear it. Just be careful.
American gangs and Asian ones don't compare to the Triads.
I don't like this cocky little fucker.
You need to be more careful, Wei. Much more careful.
Easy now. Steady now.